are not normal at all, no. I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. It's time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, but will you let me down? Nobody's like us. When people see us, they know. I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. It's time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. But will you let me down?
What do you think?
This sounds so good, dude. This sounds way different than all the other ones. No dump truck, twin turbo C8 here. I love it, man. I really do. It sounds really good. today is the day a lot of you've been waiting for. Everyone's been asking for updates on Mike's twin turbo C8 we've been building. We really have only shown like 1 or 2 small pictures of the build in progress. We didn't want to show the world yet until we had the turbo kit complete. Guys, you are in for a surprise. It turned out phenomenal. Take a look at Mike's twin turbo C8 Corvette. It's got precision ball bearing, billet wheel, mirror image turbos. We got precision wastegates and precision blow-off valves. We decided to go with an air-to-water intercooler system. I wanted to get as big of a core as I could so it could make, support up to 1200 horsepower and still be pretty efficient. The turbos are on, wastegates, blow-off valves, everything's plumbed. The only thing we don't have yet is the water lines. So we still have to route the water lines from the intercooler all the way to the front where our ice tank is gonna be. Then after that, hopefully soon you'll see this thing making boost on the dyno. Let's see what it does. I know Mike's gonna love this. Kits y'all have seen online and probably posted, all the other turbos have been in the back, and the exhaust is really short on those. And in my opinion, it doesn't sound that great at idle. We still have our exact catback that we sell if it's a naturally aspirated car. We use the exact same catback exhaust system for this twin turbo kit. As you can see, it still has our twin 4-inch tips, the same muffler design, the same X-pipe that runs right to our downpipe. From the downpipe of the turbo, goes right to our catback exhaust. This way, if you guys out there bought our catback system now, later on down the road, whether it's 2 months, 6 months, a year down the road, y'all want our twin turbo kit, you can buy the turbo kit from us and it'll bolt directly to the catback exhaust. We also have turbo blankets showing up. They should be here later today. That'll mount on the exhaust housings to keep the heat away from the hatch. Besides that, we'll do a few more coatings on some of the cold piping. But as you can see, we wrapped all the downpipe and next to the cold pipe right there to try to keep heat away from the air going into the intercooler. And you can see the oil system, guys. We did hard lines for the oil system that comes from the block to each turbo. I thought that turned out nice. And even the bracket we made to hold the turbos up, man, I think it turned out phenomenal. And as you guys can see, it's still the factory carbon fiber pieces still fit back on it on both sides. One other thing I still have to do is come up with a breather system for it. So once we finish the ice box and run the water lines, I do need to come up with some kind of a breather system for it. But after that, it will be dyno ready. Again, it still has the stock computer in it. We have no tuning, we have no piggyback on it yet. That is the process. We're gonna start it just like we did, see what she does, and then we'll start adding stuff to it and see what works and what doesn't work. First test drive, we'll see if it makes it down the parking lot. this out, guys. How awesome does that look? Man, I love it. I love it. Mike is gonna love this thing. He's gonna trip when he sees it and when he hears it in person. I'm gonna let it run a little bit more. Let's let all the wrap get hot. We'll kill it. We'll heat cycle it a few more times. Get that done. That way we can start plumbing the rest of it later today. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the turbo kit. Do you like them top mounted like that, or if you like what y'all have seen with everyone else mounting them in the bumpers? I'm curious what y'all think. Same with the sound. Is our sound different than theirs? Good, bad? Let me know.